As everybody knows, Australia have a very big issue with fire. So that's why I have to use this pit. I'd love to make the fire on the ground, but this is safer and I'm not breaking any rules in this national park. So, and also I don't want to upset my friends. Yeah, you're gonna be good. So let's marinate. Don't forget to marinate the chef as well. So yeah, I brought a Cabernet Merlot. And I will also put a little bit of wine in the meat as well. That's it. So only rocks out. Yeah, I need to wet it because otherwise the salt wouldn't stick onto it. There you go. Now I'm talking. This side. And the bones, the salt doesn't stick anyway, but a little bit. It'll be fine. It wouldn't hurt. But yeah, top here, plenty of salt. And that's the thing. Before you serve it, we heat the excess. I better put some more wood. Now the lamb shoulder. We got the remaining salt, a bit of water. In here, I'm gonna use a little bit of black pepper, chili flakes. A bit more. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. I love this. And this shoulder. It's gonna be 8 hours cooking beef ribs. The appetizer already gone. And I still have some on the bone, which is the best part. It's a lamb shoulder. Let's start with this half. I already hit off the excess of the salt. And so let's see how it's tasty, because it's looking amazingly good. My God, wow, look at that. Ooh, it was 12 hours cooking. Okay, cut up this one. Oh gosh, it's melting. Look at that. Woo. Okay, let's have a taste right here. Well. Let's see. I can't describe. So soft. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. Supimpa.